Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Friends, this is Shajidul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel, Choiceful English. Friends, I hope and believe that you are all well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Allah. Friends, you have already understand to watch the topics of my today's video because you are the most talented, intelligent, highly qualified and educated personality. Friends, in the global village and the science and technology era, we all know that English has now been the part and parcel of our everyday life. The middle class, low middle class, high classes all think to train or to learn our children English so that they can communicate better to anybody with the foreigners. That's the reason we think to send our children for many English clubs, coaching centers, language clubs, etc. But though we spend thousands of taka or money to train our child to improve their English efficiency, skillness, expertise, etc. But what we want, we can achieve that. We know that communication skill is the best way and the important fact to express our opinion, our thinking, etc. And by the development of science and technology, the demand of English is out of description and immense. If we look to India, majority percent people of that country try to speak English very well. That means they can speak English very well. But though we have the answer how they have learned English speaking better, but we don't try to understand that what is the reason behind to learn to improve their fluency. If we deeply analyze to learn and to improve their fluency, then we can understand that they have all learned English speaking, improve their fluency through their practical life. And though the expertists have been trying to train us, to understand us that if we follow those kinds of strategy, policy way, then your fluency will be improved. But all expertists will be agree with me and you that real life practicing constantly, endless, incessantly is the best and unique way to improve our communication skill. Okay? And I think to improve our efficiency and fluency in English, we have to practice that I told once again by previous videos that real life practice is the best way to improve our efficiency, our skill, and our experience and ability. However, if we listen every day English programs but I don't practice, my listening will be improved, not my speaking. So I have to must keep in mind that when I listen in English programs, then I have to try to speak at the same time. But when I try to start speaking, firstly, I can speak like them. But you don't need to, or I don't need to be worried because I have started my practicing. So it's a very easy fact that I can be able to speak English like them because I'm a learner. I have started my practicing. So when I start my practicing, I face some problems, difficulties because it's my first and introduction and first I'm trying to start my speaking. So I'm requesting all of you, when you start your practicing, you have to think that what you want to say. अभी की बोलते चाहे. When you talk to anybody or when you sit alone, you must try to think about a content. When I try to think a content deeply, then firstly I will be able to say 1 minute or 2 minutes, but after thinking again and again more and more, my memory will be sharp and naturally I can be able to say any content. Okay, because and it's very related to language, and if I want to develop my communication skills, English is the best and unique way to communicate with the foreigners. So I have to try to think deeply to practice to say any content. When I able 2 minutes or all minutes to say any content, tomorrow I'll be able 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Then after practicing, my speaking to say any content will be improved, developed day by day. Because I'm thinking to learn to improve my fluency, but I'm not practicing, I will not be able to improve my efficiency in my whole life. That's the reason if I mentally prepared and determined to learn English as the best communication, then I have to fix a time that I will be able or I will learn English as the English speaking standard fluently within 6 months, 3 months, or 1 year. But after doing fixed my specific time, I have to start my practicing every day, 1 hour, 2 hour. Then when I start my practicing, then I have to keep in mind that I have to watch English programs like the presidential debate, Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton, and UK presidential or prime ministers elections debate, or any global social conditions debate such head-to-head uh, intelligence of Al Jazeera. Then, after watching those kinds of English programs, when I alone practice and at the same time, I'm watching English programs. After practicing real life and watching English programs, these are very related to each other because when I start practicing and listen English programs, I will already be able to understand where I'm making mistakes and my pronunciation, my accents will be improved. Okay, because speaking again and again, more and more, endless, incessantly, constantly, my uh, mouth will be exercised that I have been benefited in my real life. If I told you that before getting an admission to any university, I have tried to practice. That means I have been practicing from my school life in English, though my English speaking is not well at all. But I can, what I'm telling you, it's my fruitful of my practical life experience because there are many intelligent, highly expert, educated, qualified persons in our country who are trying who have been trying to train us to improve our efficiency, skillness, and ability so that we can be able to improve our communication skills. Because if we look to the to around the world, statistics show that about 50 million people speak English as their official or semi-official language. Okay, so though in our country English is now the second official language of our country, but it's a matter of sorrow that we can speak English fluently because of our non-life, real life lacking of practice. So if we want to improve our speaking ability, skillness, expertise, we have to practice in our real life because speaking and reading, writing, it's very important if I want to stand at, if I want to improve my fluency. So yesterday I watched an English program in India that a professor of English language she told that though we are trying to encourage our student in many ways to improve our students' English speaking ability, but it's a matter of sorrow that, and it is a very easy fact that if anybody want to improve his or her English speaking ability, he or she must try to start his or her practice in a real life. When you start your practicing, you must face some problems, but you don't need to worry. If I look to a child when a child by born from come to the world, first, his language is just crying. After some days, he tries to look here and there. Gradually, this child tried to move his head here and there, and after some days, few days or few months, he tried to crawling, and then stand, walk, and running. If I look to learn to a bike, first I face some problems. I may face accident, But if I think that I will learn to run or to drive bike, but I will not face any kinds of small accidents, I will not be able to drive any bike. So when I start my practicing, I may face some problems, but you don't need to worry because the Almighty has given us many intelligence, ability, power to utilize it, but we are not able to utilize it in our real life. If we look to farmers, there are many farmers in our country who didn't go for a single day in school, but they are able to grow their crops better than any official process. Okay, what is the reason? The reason is that though they didn't learn, though they have not learned any kinds of process through uh, to grow better crops in official system, but he is being practiced in his real life how to grow better crops. After practicing real life, facing many kinds of problems, losing, he for a long time he has been able to grow a better crops, though he is not a professional educated personality. If we look any businessman, when any human being start business, he must faces some loss to his business. But if he think that I have lost my business, I will not do it, he will not be able to run his business. That means he will not be able to understand where I have made mistake. After losing, after facing the strategy way of the business, he will already understand where I have made mistakes. And the same way, when I start my practicing, I'll also face some problem. But if I don't face challenges, difficulties, I will not be able to point out to underline my making mistakes. Okay, so it is the very important to, and it is the part and parcel to learn any language to practice in real life. Without practicing real life, will not be able to learn any language. So I'm requesting all of you, if you are mentally prepared and learn to English language, you have to start your practicing in your real life. Though I have told all those words in my previous videos, but it is the very important fact that without practicing real life, just reading any book, you will not be able to improve your fluency. If you read book, your reading will be improved, but not your not speaking. So reading, practicing, listening are both related to each among them. So we must keep in mind that how much I want to learn English. I told my previous videos, I showed my previous yesterday videos that how we can learn English book, a reading book. If I just show or share my opinion that how can we learn English reading book, but if I don't tell you that how we can improve our speaking, you will not be encouraged. Thus, I am making a video in English language. If I want, I can make this video in Bengali language to encourage you to improve your speaking. Okay, but because of my making this video in English language, just to encourage you, not you, but me, because I am speaking in English, though my speaking is not well at all, but after practicing day by day, in English language. I'm making video. My speaking is being improved, not yours. So I can assure that I'm making video every day in English language to encourage you to improve our efficiency, to improve our fluency. That it is the best reason behind it that I'm speaking in English, so that my speaking is being improved. So this is the major reason of my making video in English language. Though some may not agree with me that if I make in Bengali language, they will be able to understand. Brother, if I make video on in Bengali language, you will not be encouraged. When you watch my video that I'm talking to you in English, you will already naturally will be encouraged that if I able to learn to if I able to speak English like Shahidul Islam, then it is the fact of to encourage you. So what I'm talking to you, though my speaking is not well, I must agree with you that, but though I'm talking to you, you also try to practice like me. After practicing like me, after I started practicing like me, your efficiency, your fluency will be improved than me, because you have the most talented intelligence power than anybody. So without fearing, hesitation, start your practicing to improve your communication, because if you able to speak English fluently to communicate with the foreigners, you will be able to introduce, to achieve your name and fame around the world by speaking English through media, YouTube, social media, by making video to encourage you and the learners. So the last of my video, I will request all of you, if you are mentally prepared to learn any language, you are welcome to start your practicing. Believe me, you have the efficiency, you have the ability, you have the intelligence, you have the meritorious experience. Just you have to mentally prepared to start your practicing. Just start your practicing and try to analyze yours thyself, that where you are making able to speak English fluently, that is very easy for you. So friends, the last of my video, I am requesting all of you, if you think that my video is benefited for you, you are requested all of you to like, share and subscribe my channel, because I am trying to encourage you to improve your efficiency, because all the young learners, if try to improve their English efficiency, by improve myself, my family will be improved. By improving my family, my neighbors will be improved. By improving my neighbor, my village will be improved. Okay, by improving economically, my ward, union, Thana, Upazila, district, etc. will be improved, and that's why at the same way our country will be improved. So human being is not now a burden. I think that human being is now a human strength, human resource. So I have the ability to utilize myself, because Almighty created me as the best creation. So I have to find out my meritorious, my efficiency, what I want to do in my life. So friends, I have talked too much. Wishing you a healthy and comfortable life. See you tomorrow with a new video on how we can improve our English speaking ability. And I'm requesting all of you to pray for me so that I can improve my efficiency and I can earn use amount of money to economically improve me and you, because we all want to improve our country in economics, socially, science, technology, etc. Thank you. See you soon with a new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.